to the Public Schools District Supervisor, Mr. Tisanoria. Ma'am, they are now ready for your recommendation.
As the Public Schools District Supervisor of Carmen, it is my privilege to recommend the 266 candidates for graduation of the senior high school in Carmen for school year 2023-2024 to our Assistant Schools Division Superintendent, Dr. Hector D.N. Magalala. Sir, we are now ready for your confirmation.
Before I will confirm graduating students, on behalf of the Schools Division of Agusan del Norte, we convey congratulations coming from the Secretary for Schools Division Superintendent up to the level of the district. Congratulations to the parents, teachers, and to the graduating class. Upon the recommendation, upon presentation of your school principal, and upon the recommendation of your public schools district supervisor, that these 266 candidates for graduation have satisfactorily completed the course requirements as prescribed for the senior high school curricula of the Department of Education, and by the power vested in me as the authorized representative of the Schools Division Superintendent, I now confirm you graduates. Congratulations.
Thank you, sir. The office of the Senate President, Juan Miguel M. Zubiri, awarded the gold medal for academic excellence in all academic achievements for each strand. With this, may I read to you the message of our Senate President, Juan Miguel M. Zubiri. Congratulations to our graduates and to our recipients of Philippine Senate Gold Medal Award for academic excellence. We in the Senate are very proud to see the rise of a new generation of our future leaders and thinkers. As you graduate, you are not only moving up from a successful school year, but you are also moving forward and bringing yourself a step closer to being active agents of your faith, as well as the faith of the nation. Being citizen of the internet age, you have a unique perspective on the affairs of the nation and all the world. And more importantly, you understand your role in it. I assure you that as early as now, your fresh ideas and your inventive optimism fuel us to create more inclusive and more sustainable legislation of our people. I wish you all the best as you enter the next phase of your academic journey. And I am hopeful that you will be able to pursue the path that you are most passionate about. I only ask that you always ground the passion in compassion and use your brilliance in service of our people. Mabuhay kayong lahat. Juan Miguel M. Zubiri. At this juncture, may I request the Assistant Schools Division Superintendent, Dr. Hector D.N. Magalala, Cecil 6, for the distribution of certificates and awarding of medals. May I read to you the citation of the certificate. Republic of the Philippines, Department of Education, Caraga Region, Division of Agusan del Norte, Senior High School in Carmen. This certifies that Russell E. Cagulana has satisfactorily completed the requirements for graduation in senior high school prescribed for secondary schools of the Department of Education and is therefore awarded this diploma. Signed in Carmen,